Marcia Minaya Yahoras Nesos Nala Time Nebulus Nati Ita Boy Morodoki Yakwas Pamyatati. You should have heard old man Kruger sing. That's what he did. He run every drop, every tear out of that song. He really gave it emotion. He used to put his hand on his heart. And well, I did a little, when the doves were flying over the hill, he would go like this. He would put his hands up like he could see them. See? And the years of my youth fade quickly. And he put his hand on his heart. And then on his forehead like this. Like, Then he said, I didn't have any hard luck. And I never will. Jacovatibolo, right? Thanks be to God. Jacovatibolo, that's understood here, okay? That's something you should learn how to say if you don't know it yet. Jacovatibolo, thanks to God, okay? Then he said, how shall I remember my young years? Okay? And this is a beautiful song. It's an epic ballad. Another epic. Do you know what I said about the song last week? Do you remember? Come on, musical footnote. There are other melodies to this song. Remember that? Дальше Боже добрый час, як буде так і нас, і щасливу годину розвеселим годину. Ой, розвеселим годину. Ой, розвеселим годину. Nice, huh? I learned it when I did. I'm now 30. I did a personal care room. Honest bullshit. No kidding. How do we say no?